Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with Standard 7th Civics, Chapter 3, How the State Government Works. So, children, here our next topic is Working of the Government. So, the Legislative Assembly is not only place where opinion are expressed about the work of the government and action is demand. So, not only in Legislative Assembly, the expression people express themselves or people demand what they want. You will find newspaper also in TV channels also and other organization regularly talking about the government. Even other like you most of the time you see in the newspaper news comes about the different topic issues which is happening in and around us. Even TV channel shows how the government is working and what they are not doing. Okay, so the criticization, it is criticized in the government is criticized or appreciated in other ways also, in other mediums also, like TV channels and newspapers. Talking about the government in a democracy, there are various ways through which people express their view and take action. Let us look at one such way. So we will see how people express their views. Soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. So health minister organized a press conference. Okay, children, then large number of people from different newspapers were present. The ministers and some government, the health ministers and some government officials were also present there in the press conference. The minister explained the steps the government had taken and the steps government, whatever the steps government had taken, the minister explained in the press conference. The reporters asked many questions at this meeting. These discussions were then reported in different newspapers. So newspaper people, they printed this whatever they have discussed here in the meeting. The following pages has one such report. So in the next page you will see there is one such report given. During the next week the chief minister and the health minister for health visited Patalpuram district. They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospital. So they visited the relatives and the people, those who were in the hospitals. The government announced a compensation for these families. So even the chief minister and health minister went there and visited the relatives and the people who were in the hospitals, and then given them the compensation was given to them. Then we see in the next page, children, here is one box. Can you see this box? Here is a article which was printed in the newspaper. Government smells the garbage. Chief minister promises fund for work. So one article which was during the press conference which was they have discussed during the press conference, this article was printed in the newspaper here. You can read on your own this. Now let's continue with the chapter. So the chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one of sanitation but also of lack of clean drinking water. He said that a high level enquiry committee will be asked to look into the needs of the district to provide sanitization facilities, and would request the minister of public work to take care of the needs of proper water supply in the region. So the chief minister said that they will ask a special enquiry committee will be asked to find out about the district and even sanitation facility will be given, and not only the sanitation was the problem, but there was lack of clean drinking water was not there. So the problem was not only sanitation, the clean drinking water people were not getting. That was the major problem. So they said, the chief minister promised that he will set an inquiry committee who will look after this, and even public workers who will take care of the need of the proper water supply in the region which they were facing. Then the last paragraph, as you saw above, the people in power like the chief minister and the minister have to take action. They do so through various departments like the public worker department, works department, the agriculture department. So this work single-handedly can't be done by the chief minister, children. So there are various departments are there, okay, which work together, like public works department is there, the agriculture department is there, health department, education department, and so on. They also have a answer questions that are asked in the legislative assembly, and convince people ask the questions that proper steps are taken. So they convince people in legislative assembly, people ask them, okay, questions, okay, and then they have to tell the proper steps what are being taken by them. At the same time, newspaper and the media widely discuss the issue, and the government has newspaper and the media widely discuss the issue, and the government has to respond, for example by holding a press conference. So in the last line you can see the government is responsible, they have to answer for all the question asked to them. So they hold a press conference and ask the question, whichever is asked to them, they ask they give the solution or steps what they are going to do. Then we come to the next page, that is the government can also decide to make new law for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. So this we are talking about state, okay, government of state. So they can also make new law for the state. So they have the authority that they can make new law for their state regarding sanitation, okay, regarding sanitation or health facilities. For example, if it may make it compulsory for municipal corporation, okay, the government can make compulsory to the municipal corporation to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban. So they will make sure that there are toilets in every urban area there should be toilet, okay. Then it may also ensure that the health worker is appointed in every village. So urban areas, that is city areas, there should be toilet everywhere, and in villages there should be health workers should be appointed. This action of making laws on certain issue is done in the legislative assembly. So in legislative assembly all this work is done. So even the law for the each state is made in the legislative assembly. So law for the nation is done in the parliament, but law for the state, the law for the state is done where, children? In legislative assembly. The various government department then implemented these laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. So here it is written, see, law for the country is made in the, for country it is made in the parliament, and law for the state is made in the legislative assembly. So understood, children, the difference? You will read more about this about the parliament next year. So in detail we will study next year about the parliament. So the last paragraph, in a democracy, So now children, in a democracy, it is people who elect their representative. So we people, we elect our representative, and they are the member of the legislative assembly. They are MLAs, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. So we people, we have the main authority. We are ruling. The ruling party members then form the government. So whichever party comes, like BJP, now BJP has won. So BJP is the ruling party, and opposition is the other party which is having the second highest number of votes. So the ruling party member, members then form the government, and some members are appointed ministers. So these some are appointed as ministers. They become the minister. From this MLA only some become the ministers. These ministers are in charge of various departments of the government, such as health in the above example. So these ministers are responsible for one department. For one example, we have seen about health department. Whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by the member of the legislative assembly. So in legislative assembly, this government has to approve whatever work they are going to do. So then only if it is approved in the legislative assembly, then the minister is can take the following step and do whatever is approved, whatever step is approved. So now we come to the next page. Here you can see in this page, it is in a democracy, people organize meetings to voice their opinion and protest against the government. See, here people are protesting against government. Okay, this is called the morcha, protesting against the government. If they want some justice, so they protest against the government also. So then we come to the next page. Here it is a wallpaper project. So you will read this wallpaper project and you will collect few information, okay, few pictures, and you will of different department. Take any department, okay, education department or health department or agriculture department, any department you take, and you collect the pictures from that area, and then you will make a collage of it. So that will be a wallpaper project for you children. So you have to read this completely. So let me explain you. Let's revise. What is this children? This is the Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra. Can you see in the picture? All the ministers are sitting here in the Legislative Assembly. It is the Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha. So in Vidhan Sabha there are 288 elected. Can you see here how many? 288 elected MLAs are there in Vidhan Sabha. So here can you see these dots are there? These dots are the parties. Can you see here? 56, 54. According to the color you can see Indian National Congress is 44 here. This blue color all. So all this blue color is Indian Congress. Okay. Then NCP is this green color. Okay. SS. Shiv Sena is this. So all these are the parties. These are the MLAs. Okay, different MLAs, and together they have formed the ruling party. Okay, this all together here you can see here this all together jointly they have made the ruling party. Okay, and of Maharashtra, and opposition party we will see here. See, these are the opposition party. These are the parties which are the opposition of the ruling party, and BJP is having the most number of the seat of MLAs. So this is the opposition party. BJP will be the opposition party. So here we can see Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is taking oath as the member of the Legislative Council. So, in the Legislative Council, this Chief Minister of Maharashtra, okay, he is taking the. So, in Legislative Assembly, they have elected the ruling party has elected their leader. So, he is the leader of the ruling party. They have elected this chief minister. So now he is the chief minister of ruling party. He is the head of ruling party of Maharashtra. So understood, children? Understood the chapter?